Welcome to this HydroHALT PlumBud installation presentation by Celux. HydroHALT PlumBud is a perimeter joint sealing system designed to be installed during installation of shower tray and bath receptors that do not have integral tiling upstands attached. In this video, we will show you how to install PlumBud during installation of shower tray and bath receptors into 2-wall and 3-wall shower enclosures. The silicone we recommend for use with HydroHALT is Celux N High Performance Neutral Curing Sanitary Grade Silicone, or equivalent. Before installation commences, the receptor surfaces to which the silicone and backer rod will be bonded must be prepared. Use wire wool to roughen surfaces and remove stubborn dirt. After a clean with the alcohol wipes, you are now ready to install PlumBud. PlumBud is designed to be installed in a clockwise rotation. Unwind PlumBud along the first side of the receptor. The two-sided backer rod alignment guide ensures PlumBud can be positioned accurately on the receptor sidewall. Place side 1 of the backer rod alignment guide on the receptor ledge, overhanging the side wall. Progressively peeling the release liner off the backer rod, raise PlumBud up until the backer rod touches the underside of the backer rod alignment guide, and then press the backer rod inward so its exposed adhesive bed bonds with the receptor sidewall. Repeat this bonding process until the first sidewall is complete. To ensure PlumBud maintains a 90-degree angle around sidewall corners, rotate and reposition the backer rod alignment guide to overhang 2 sidewalls. Once PlumBud has been folded around the corner and bonded onto both sidewalls, return the backer rod alignment guide to its original orientation and bond PlumBud to the remaining sidewalls in a similar fashion. Cut PlumBud to terminate at receptor ends. Prior to locating the receptor in its final position, ensure the wall surfaces behind the Celux strip are free of dust and in sound condition. The receptor should rest stable on the floor, and the waste system should be tested for leaks. If you are planning to install PlumBud during installation of a receptor into a 3-wall shower enclosure, the required width between the opposing shower walls is the receptor width plus an extra 12 mm. This extra 12 mm in width is required to accommodate the location of PlumBud between the receptor sidewalls and opposing shower walls. If this extra 12 mm in width is not available, then consider installing TileBud, which can accommodate perimeter joints less than 6 mm wide. In TileBud installations, the Celux strip can be bonded to the wall either before installation of the receptor or after the receptor is installed. Refer to the HydroHALT TileBud instructions and videos for more information. Fold back the Celux strip and peel off the release liner to expose the adhesive bed. Using the spatula straight edge, firstly press bond the adhesive bed into all wall corners to form a 90-degree angle. Then press bond the exposed adhesive bed on the back of the strip against the remaining wall surfaces. With a marker tip in contact with the strip outer edges, draw wall lines defining the strip upper and end boundaries. Celux N is a high-performance silicone sealant that forms a strong bond between the Celux strip and most shower wall backer board materials. If using Celux N as the strip adhesive, apply masking tape outside the wall lines. The strip can also be bonded to the wall using approved MS polymer adhesive sealants, thin set mortars, and liquid-applied waterproofing compounds without the need for masking tape. Fold the strip back and tape it to the receptor with masking tape. Apply a light zigzag line of adhesive sealant on the wall, between the Celux strip and wall lines. Spread the adhesive sealant thinly on the wall using the serrated edge of the spatula. Remove the strip holding tabs and lift the Celux strip upright to touch engage the adhesive bed on the wall. Using the straight edge of the spatula, firstly press bond the strip into each corner to form a 90-degree angle, and then press bond the strip firmly against the remaining wall surfaces to form a permanent bond. Remove the masking tape off the wall, if applied. Apply masking tape over the ledge to protect against sealant smears while sealing the joint. Apply Celux N silicone into the joint formed between the Celux strip and the receptor sidewall. Rub up the joint sealant so its upper surface falls from the strip side to the ledge side. First-time installers should seal and rub up one side at a time. Remove the masking tape off the receptor ledge. This HydroHALT PlumBud installation is now complete. Remember, these are just general guidelines that reflect typical site conditions. Joint expansion between the receptor and wall is a frequent cause of leaks. Joint expansion creates tension in the joint sealing material, which often results in adhesion failure. For this reason, the Celux strip is designed to bond tenaciously with Celux N silicone. After the installation of PlumBud, tiling can commence. We recommend the insertion of a round sealant backer rod into the joint formed between the tile and receptor ledge. This sealant backer rod will shutter and shape the sealant cross-section, enabling it to stretch and accommodate joint expansion. The sealant joint between the tile and ledge should not be considered a permanent joint seal because it is exposed to the climate and chemicals of the showering environment and will deteriorate over time. The rate of sealant deterioration will be further accelerated if also subjected to the stress of elongation under the effects of joint expansion. Now, let's take a reality check inside the joint and evaluate how the HydroHALT sealing system performs under joint expansion. As you can see, the exposed silicone bridge between the tile and ledge releases off the round backer rod and stretches under tension. The HydroHALT sealing system accommodates joint expansion through deflection in the releasable portion of the Celux strip at its point of contact with the silicone, and shear elongation of the silicone bridge between the Celux strip and receptor sidewall. When the sealant joint between the tile and ledge fails, the HydroHALT sealing system ensures the resulting leak is contained inside the shower area. HydroHALT PlumBud is available in short rolls for one-off installations and in longer, more cost-effective trade roll format for repeat users. We hope this Celux presentation has been of interest, and thank you for your time viewing it. If you have any concerns not addressed in this video, please do not hesitate to contact us.